right now. Today is the deadline for millions of federal employees, government contractors, and healthcare workers to be fully vaccinated. That includes TSA agents. Those who do not comply could face suspensions or even be fired. Allison Harris is live at the White House right now. Allison, it is the busiest travel time, not just annually, but since the pandemic began. I know last week we didn't have as many hard numbers about vaccination rates among federal agencies, but do we have any updated statistics there?
Adrienne, that is such an important point to start with here. We do not have official numbers from this administration for the vaccination rates for these federal agencies as this vaccine mandate for federal workers goes into place today. So the headline is, it is still unclear how many workers could be suspended or fired today and whether that could make our worker shortage even worse. This impacts 4 million federal workers, the majority of which we understand to be vaccinated and complying with this vaccine mandate. But this impacts those transportation security officers, the TSA agents. You heard Paul talking about a worker shortage, a staffing shortage that they've been dealing with. We've heard from the Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg, as well as the TSA, expressing confidence that this will not impact travel, that there won't be disruptions to air travel because of this vaccine mandate. But it remains to be seen. For about a month now, lawmakers on Capitol Hill, the White House COVID response team, as well as union reps for these TSA agents, they all have been discussing and some even expressing concern that as many as 40% of TSA agents are unvaccinated. So there's concern there about how this could play out over Thanksgiving week. And at the same time, this doesn't only impact TSA agents. There's also been reports that Customs and Border Protection agents, as well as prison workers, are lagging in their vaccination rates. And again, as you said, this could lead to workers being suspended or fired. It remains to be seen how this could impact the worker shortage that we've been facing in this pandemic. And Adrienne, it's of course Thanksgiving week here at the White House. We can expect the president and the first lady to travel to Fort Bragg, North Carolina today. They're doing a Friendsgiving with military families and service members. The president is going to give remarks on the economy tomorrow and talk about the need to lower prices before leaving to celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday. Adrienne.
Right. Thank you so much, Allison. We will check in with you in just a little bit. Well, 2 of the 17 missionaries taken hostage by a gang in Haiti, they've been freed. The latest. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.